Pap culture is intense because they have phones now, so you cannot identify only. आपको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि कौन पैप है कौन फैन है. I don't think India में it's so bad. Like if I don't tell somebody where I'm going, they'll not know unless someone tells them. The pap culture belongs to 10 popular people in the industry.
Right.
Who they will search. मतलब वो कहीं से भी उनको ढूंढना चाहते हैं.
Yeah.
उन लोगों को छोड़ के बाकी सब लोग, please, you have to be, you have to understand we are all the same. Let's not be delusional कि सब हमारे पीछे ही भाग रहे हैं. ऐसा नहीं है. सोचो there is somebody, you are stepping out of the house, a bad fight with your sibling and your parents, and you're stepping out. You're going out of the house, your sibling is going to office. The sibling is going to office. You're going on a set. हमारा काम आसान होता है. It's not at all glamorous. It is, I honestly say we look like we look really glamorous, but we work like soldiers. Just आप जितना ज़्यादा अपने face पे करोगे, आप उतना ज़्यादा alienate होते जाओगे. You look gorgeous, but you will not
fit in. In a way,
I mean, that girl will not say, "Oh, she's like me."
Yeah, relatability किधर ना किधर चली जाती है.
I think I have also thought many times to take a detox. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं अपना phone किसी और को दे दूँ. Because see, we make money off Instagram. If you have a business, she has a brand of her own. You can take detox because you make
money. Good idea. Hi everyone, welcome to Filmy Beat. मैं हूँ हेशा चीमा and today I'm sitting and talking to somebody who's not just gorgeous but वो already अपने आप को establish कर चुकी है also as a versatile actor. Well, मैं तो उनकी आंखों में डूब जाती हूँ हमेशा जब वो दिखते हैं मुझे because she's got such beautiful eyes. But today let's get to know a little bit more and more deeply. Joining me for a conversation on Filmy Beat is Riddhi Dogra.
Thank you.
Oh my God, you're so pretty. Whenever I look at you, I'm like, अरे रिद्धि कितनी सुंदर है.
अरे यार, how sweet of you. That's so sweet. You made me blush before beginning only.
आपको जरूरत ही नहीं है मेकअप की. आई थिंक आपको लोगों ने बोला होगा ये, राइट? कितनी बार ऐसा होता होगा जब शूट वूट पे जाते हो तो बोलोगे नहीं निकाल दो मेकअप, ऐसे ही अच्छे लग रहे हो.
No, I actually don't do a lot of makeup. I think मैं सबसे ज़्यादा makeup interviews में करती हूँ because I get to dress up, events हो गए या interviews. I like to, or like the travel show that I do.
Yeah.
So I like to do makeup over there. For character, though, I stick to the character. So it's and I like to let my skin breathe. So my makeup, this thing is only. हम जितनी ज़्यादा स्किन अपनी दिखाते हैं कैमरा पे उतनी ज़्यादा यंगर यू लुक.
हाँ, that's also true. I think सारे hacks हम बैठ के लेने वाले हैं रिद्धि से.
Please do this interview. Let it all be about hacks. I would love it.
Oh wow. Okay, ठीक है. तो मैं एक चीज बताऊंगी. रिद्धि ने हमें लाइटिंग हैक दी है जो आई थिंक मेरे फ्यूचर इंटरव्यूज में बहुत काम आने वाली है और यही इंटरव्यू से आई थिंक सारे वो चलेंगे. बट before I get into anything and everything, I want to start off actually by asking you life hacks. Okay. The profession that we all belong to and especially आपका, क्योंकि आप कैमरा को हमसे ज़्यादा फेस करते हो on an everyday basis, hours ज़्यादा होता है, बहुत कुछ ज़्यादा होता है. बट मुझे पता है कि there can be a day where you probably woken up on the wrong side of the bed. बट आज जाके एक ऐसा सीन देना है जिसमें मैं खूब हंस रही हूँ, खूब रोमांस कर रही हूँ, शायद खूब मस्ती कर रही हूँ, all of it. Then what is that life hack कि जो एक्चुअल में नहीं हो रहा है आपकी लाइफ में, पर ऑपोजिट उसका हो रहा है जो आपको ऑन स्क्रीन जताना है, बट मेंटल हेल्थ कैन गो फॉर अ टॉस ना?
I think when you are an actor, you don't do life like normal people. So that doesn't apply because we are made only of a different, I think, grain. The very fact कि हम एक ऐसा profession ही choose करते हैं जिसमें we have to submit, suspension of belief and everything is unreal, make believe. तो आप anyway you're more comfortable in like transforming, in living different lives, in playing different characters. Otherwise, who does that? 9 o'clock in the morning, you suddenly become someone else. Isn't that weird? So I think for many of us, including myself, or I can speak for myself, acting तो मेरे लिए है ही therapy. It is a therapeutic space for me. So if today I have had a bad cry over something, I'm more than happy to be on a set and forget everything and submit to this character. Is ये इंसान जो मैंने और टीम ने क्रिएट किया है उसको जगाते हैं और उसके इमोशंस को दिखाते हैं. सो दैट इज एक्सट्रीमली थेरेप्यूटिक फॉर मी.
Wow.
Yeah.
Recently मेरी बात हुई थी पलक तिवारी से
Yeah.
for a show that she was doing and she mentioned Deepika Padukone in Jawan.
Right.
And context ये था when she said that कि I don't think actresses need to like a heroine should not necessarily be a hero because the heroine itself adds so much value.
Okay.
And Deepika का reference इसलिए लिया गया था because in that film how with lesser words and just emotions women are coming out so powerful. मैं आपको ये इसलिए पूछ रही हूँ और या इसलिए बता रही हूँ because you've also been a part of projects wherein you're emoting a lot from your face. You know, शायद शब्द इतने ना हो बोलने के लिए but जो presence है, जो aura है और जो शक्ल से काम करना है and you're being a heroine, you know, not a hero. I want to know today as women actors, how powerful has it been now in today's day and age to actually get that kind of work, you know, B also have an audience or people to understand ki what actually we are doing.
I think there have been solid parts for women throughout. I feel. I don't think the kind of industry we've had and the culture that we have, we anyway मतलब hold women at a little higher standard. Yes, वो societal जो एक तरीका होता है देखने का and she's a woman and all of that is different. But the moment you go into, I've always said this कि आप जैसे ही किसी के साथ बैठ के one-on-one conversation करते हो, everyone, we don't have that Western problem of typical, classifying women as just a particular thing. It is there, very much there. You're expected to be sorted, you're expected to be, very decent. You should not be too much of this or too much of that. Yes, all of that is there. But I think the female characters, the women characters or the heroines have always, unless it's your choice to play something which is like a property in a film. But otherwise, I feel like we have always had a choice of women who are layered and who have emotional depth and you can add it. I know I've added it. I mean, there are so many characters, including, Asur, I think Nusrat, everyone loves Nusrat. And I find it so interesting क्योंकि जब नुसरत सबसे, और मैं बहुत बार बोलती हूँ, but the magnitude of this कोई समझता नहीं है, इसीलिए उस पर ज़्यादा बात नहीं होती. But I remember जब नुसरत मैंने पेपर पे पढ़ी थी, there was nothing to her. Nothing. She was just one person in this team being run by Barun's character and Arshad's character. But me being me, I have to add layers and depth. That's me as an actor. And also me as a woman. Like I cannot ever stand in a frame just being a property because I represent somebody. I'm representing women out there. So मैंने बहुत सवाल पूछे. I created my own story for my character. And it's not like I increased my dialogues or I increased, कि मैं ये कर दूंगी, मुझे ये dialogue दे दो. Nothing like that. I stuck to what was written. But I added layers to her. That is only possible because it's a female character. Now you'll say, what does that mean? Women naturally have depth. We have perception. We have intuition. We have layers. So we don't really need to have a written part. We can feed off characters. आप दूसरे जो characters portray कर रहे हैं, आप उनसे feed off करके अपने character को बहुत beautiful बना सकते हैं. I mean, this is a hack I'm giving to anybody who ever cries कि मेरा सीन बहुत कम था या I have nothing, very little to do. I don't believe that. I mean, the fact that I did Jawan, उसमें भी, I was told that she's one of the most remembered character for whatever reasons, Kaveri Amma. But there also, how could I do anything more than what, a genius like Atlee would say, or standing next to Deepika or Shah Rukh? It's their film. But if you've called me, then you will get layers and depth. So I, whether, a heroine should be a heroine, I also believe that एक जो हमारे में feminine energy है, उसको ना सिर्फ दिखाना चाहिए, उसको celebrate करना चाहिए. उसको, we should be proud of it. We don't really need to be like men because they are there. Yeah. And we need to complement each other. That वो जो बोलते हैं ना शिव शक्ति, वो complement करती है एक दूसरे को, वो energies. Shiv is incomplete without Shakti,
Ji.
and Shakti can only emerge if Shiv is
If
there.
Shiv is there. True, that's so beautiful. I'm a thorough Shiva believer.
Yeah.
So
Maybe that's why this came out.
probably because I think मेरे हर इंटरव्यू में किधर ना किधर शिव शक्ति का मेंशन हो ही जाता
Oh,
है.
wow.
And when I'm confused, I'm like, okay, wait,
Wow.
thank you for blessing. but
Yes,
like, I
yes,
love
thank
it.
you,
Yeah,
thank you for
for
blessing.
blessing.
Om Namah
Yeah,
Shivaya.
Om Namah Shivaya. That's true. That's true. But you know, Riddhi, you're right. You know, I think एक ऐसे प्रोफेशन में स्पिरिचुअलिटी भी बहुत काम करता है. I think to somewhere be a little grounded. You know, क्योंकि आप मुझे बता सकते हैं better. आपके आसपास इतने लोग होंगे that they'll probably fan you for the work you do and put you on a pedestal. But then there can be one day where one negative comment also आपका दिमाग पूरा तहस नहस कर सकता है. उस टाइम पे रिद्धि क्या करती है?
कुछ नहीं, I have to remind myself that this is monkey mind. You have searched for this one bad thing to read. Why? Stick to the good. And I think that's what we need to do as people also. Also, you spoke about, you know, हमारी industry, and yes, there is, it's a constant struggle between too much noise and too much silence.
जी.
So that is, now I've been around for so long कि I've learned to adapt around it. You know, I've learned to mold myself around it. And I can definitely, you know, help people out there who are probably starting out कि it can get overwhelming,
जी.
and it does. But you have to, you know, I heard someone say this. It was Robert De Niro sitting in an actors conference, and I can't forget. It was just one thing he said. उनको पूछा interviewer ने कि, you know, when you do very well, something similar to what you're asking me, that, you know, how do you cope up with it, good or bad? And he said, I tell myself, Bob, that's what everyone calls him. He says, he said that I tell myself, Bob, just be calm. Through the highs, be calm. Through the lows, be calm. Just be calm. That's all you have to do.
Yeah.
And I was like, and I did try to put it on in practice. And it really is the only thing you can do which is in your control.
Yeah.
Because we have chosen this profession. I've chosen a space which is creative, which is bustling. Energy will be high. आज एक दिन बहुत ज़्यादा energy होगी, कल बिल्कुल नहीं होगी, परसों उससे भी ज़्यादा होगी. Then you will see some new, you know, pinnacles you've achieved, and then you're like, oh my God, this is amazing, and all of that. And then it'll all be like, oh no, you know. So there's so much ups and downs. The only thing you can do is not attach yourself, be calm. So उसमें spirituality ही काम आती है, because otherwise you cannot practice these things. You can say all this, but to practice it, you really need an inner sort of anchor, and that you can only find, you know, when you do the work yourself.
Yeah, true. That's true. रिद्धि, मुझे आपसे ये भी जानना है, you know, कि एक इंडस्ट्री में जहाँ पे एक होता है PR एंड मार्केटिंग जो बहुत ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, बिकॉज आपको अपने आप को दिखाना भी है, जनता तक पहुंचाना भी है, एंड एट द सेम टाइम होता है एक एक्टर का प्रिवेसी, एक प्राइवेट लाइफ ऑल्सो, जो अगर हम देख रहे हैं तो लाइंस ब्लर हो रही है, यू नो, बिकॉज ऑफ द होल पैप कल्चर और वट एवर यू माइट से. एज रिद्धि एज एन एक्टर, आप कहाँ हो एंड आप कैसे बैलेंस कर रहे हो ये दो चीज़ों को?